Okay, I think that's weird. Hey! What's wrong? Nothing, Foggy. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Well, I'm gonna see you. Where's SpongeBob? Oh, he's not here. He at Walmart. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Wait. I'm gonna push right on the computer.
Remember to bring the chocolate chip ice cream home?
Yes, I did remember to bring the chocolate chip ice cream home, and you're not going to have any of it until you eat all your dinner and then eat your meat and your corn. Where are you going? You get back here right now. Did you hear me? Better not do that. You'd better stop right there, fella.
Okay.
Hey. Did you hear me? Now you listen to me. Don't be smart now. You go right back and put that back until you finish your dinner. Oh, I'm warning you. You take one bite out of that, you're in big trouble. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do that. Did you hear me? Hey, stop. Hold it right there. You put that ice cream in your mouth, and you are in very, very, very big trouble. Don't you dare go anywhere beyond that. Put it down right now. I am not going to say it again. I am not going to say it again. I am.
What the what? Okay.
You're no bargaining, pal. You are a spoiled, rotten little brat, and I'll tell you right now,
I hate you.
and I hate you back, you little shit.
I want my money!
I'm all you've got.
Hey, I watched that. That's weird. I had it. I hit that show. It's not a show, it's a movie. No, that's a YouTube video. I'm gonna stay here. You better go. Okay. Bye, Bye, Mike. Bye, Foggy. I'm so disappointed. Okay, that's weird.